Hallo zusammen. Willkommen zu Ihrem Deutschkurs mit GNC Language School. Hello everyone. Welcome to your German class with GNC Language School. Today's topic is one that everyone can relate to. Essen und Trinken, which means food and drinks. Food is not just a basic need, it's also a big part of culture and daily life. Whether you're dining at a restaurant, shopping at a supermarket, or talking about your favorite dishes, knowing how to talk about what you eat and drink in German is incredibly useful. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently talk about what you eat, express your preferences, and even order food in German speaking countries. Let's get started with Essen und Trinken and enjoy a delicious dose of German vocabulary. Now, this is the basic vocabulary related to food, like how is daily meals called, what are the useful phrases that we use while eating, okay? So, daily meals, we have breakfast, which is das Frühstück. Please repeat after me. Das Frühstück. Das Frühstück. And lunches, das Mittagessen. Once again, das Mittagessen. Dinner is called das Abendessen. Once again, das Abendessen. Now, these are some general terms like food, meal, and snack. Food is called das Essen. Once again, das Essen. And meal is called die Mahlzeit. Z is sir, so this is sight. Die Mahlzeit. Snack is der Snack. Once again, their snack. Now, these are the useful phrases. To say enjoy your meal, you can say guten Appetit. Once again, guten Appetit, okay? And if you want to say I am hungry, you can use this phrase. Ich habe Hunger. Hunger is a noun in German, so that's why H is capital here. Ich habe Hunger. Now, these are some fruits and vegetables in German. All these are nouns. That's why they are all in capital letter and they will have articles like der, die and das. Always remember to learn nouns with their articles, okay? Now, these are fruits and vegetables. Fruits are called das Obst. You have to repeat after me. Das Obst. Obst is fruits. Das Obst. First one is apple, which is der Apfel. Once again, der Apfel. The next one is banana. Die Banane. Once again, die Banane. The next one is orange, which is die Orange. Please repeat. Die Orange. Next one is strawberry. Die Erdbeere. Die Erdbeere. The next one is grape. Die Traube. Please repeat. Die Traube. Next is pear, which is die Birne in German. Die Birne. Once again, die Birne. Pineapple is die Ananas. Once again, die Ananas. And cherry is die Kirsche. Once again, die Kirsche. Watermelon is die Wassermelone. Once again, die Wassermelone. Now let's do the vegetable, which is das Gemüse. Once again, das Gemüse. First one is potato. Die Kartoffel. Please repeat. Die Kartoffel. Next one is carrot. Die Karotte. Once again, die Karotte. The next one is tomato, which is die Tomate. Please repeat. Die Tomate. The next one is broccoli, which is der Broccoli. Der Broccoli. Next is onion. Onion is die Zwiebel. Z is pronounced as sir. Sir. So this is Zwiebel. Die Zwiebel. Next is spinach, which is der Spinat. SP is Sp. Sp. So this is der Spinat. Der Spinat. Next is cucumber, which is die Gurke. Once again, die Gurke. Next one is bell pepper, which is der Paprika. Once again, der Paprika. The next one is cauliflower, which is Der Blumenkohl. Once again, der Blumenkohl. Now that's how meat and seafood is called in German. Beef is das Rindfleisch. Once again, das Rindfleisch. And pork is das Schweinefleisch. Please repeat. Das Schweinefleisch. Das Schweinefleisch. The next one is chicken, which is das Hähnchen. Once again, das Hähnchen. Das Hähnchen. All right. Next is salmon or tuna. Salmon is der Lachs. ACH is Ark in German. Ark. So this is Lachs. Der Lachs. And tuna is Thunfisch. Once again, Thunfisch. Okay, Thunfisch. Let us now learn bread and dairy products. Bread is called Das Brot. Das Brot. Germany offers over 300 bread varieties. All right. Next is cheese, which is called Käse. Käse. Okay. Cheese is a staple in Germany. Käse. Let's see some other dairy products like milk, which is Die Milch. Please repeat. Die Milch. And butter is called Die Butter because U is U in German. U. So butter. Die Butter. Next is yogurt, which is Der Yogurt. Der Yogurt. J is pronounced as Y in German. This is yogurt. Der Yogurt. Let's now do the beverages. Beverages are called Die Getränke. Please repeat. Die Getränke. Getränke is drinks or beverages. The first one is das Wasser. Once again, das Wasser. Wasser is water. Okay, these are also nouns. That's why they are in capital letter and they have the articles also. Der, die and das. Next is coffee, which is der Kaffee. Once again, der Kaffee. The next one is tea, which is der Tee. Please repeat. Der Tee. The next one is beer, which is das Bier. Once again, das Bier. And juice is called der Saft. S is pronounced as Z whenever it is in front of a vowel. A is a vowel here and S is in front of it. So this is Saft, not Saft. Der Saft. Saft is juice. Der Saft. Next is wine. Wine is der Wein. Pronunciation is same like English, but the spelling is different. Der Wein. Next is mineral water. Das Mineralwasser. Once again, das Mineralwasser. Next is die Limonade. That is soft drink or soda. Die Limonade. All right. Die Limonade. So these are some key phrases which can be helpful to you whenever you go to some restaurant to order, right? So if you go to restaurant, you ask for the menu first, right? To ask for the menu, you say the menu please, right? When you reach at the restaurant, you ask for the menu. You can say die Speisekarte bitte. Speisekarte is menu, SP. Die Speisekarte bitte, the menu please. Die Speisekarte bitte. Okay, and if you want to ask for help, like if you want some recommendation to eat, so you would say, what do you recommend? So in German, that would be, was empfehlen Sie? What do you recommend? Let's repeat. Was empfehlen Sie? Okay, was empfehlen Sie? Now for placing your order, you can say, I would like to order a pizza or maybe water or maybe cold drink. So you would say, ich möchte eine Pizza bestellen oder ich möchte eine Cola bestellen. All right, you can order anything and use this term to order. Ich möchte eine Pizza bestellen. I would like to order a pizza. Ich möchte eine Pizza bestellen. Now for additional requests, like if you want another glass of water or something else to eat, you would say, noch ein Glas Wasser bitte. Another glass of water, please. All right. Noch ein Glas Wasser bitte. OCH is oak in German. So this is noch. Noch ein Glas Wasser bitte. Now, these are some practical dialogues between a guest and a waiter at a restaurant. Okay, so whenever you reach a restaurant, you order stuff and then you ask question, or maybe you ask for menu. So the waiter will ask you what you would like to eat, drink, what can I get you. So these are the dialogues which can really help you. Okay, so these will be really helpful. You can learn them, use them, practice them. All right. Guest is called Gast. Please repeat. Gast. Guest is Gast. So guest would say, hello, I would like a schnitzel with potatoes. Okay, so in German he would say, Guten Tag, ich hätte gern ein Schnitzel mit Kartoffeln. Please repeat. Guten Tag, ich hätte gern ein Schnitzel mit Kartoffeln. Okay? Guten Tag, ich hätte gern ein Schnitzel mit Kartoffeln. The waiter is Kellner in German. Kellner. Okay? Kellner will reply, sehr gern. Möchten Sie etwas trinken? Certainly or gladly. Okay? Certainly. Would you like something to drink? Sehr gern. Möchten Sie etwas trinken? Sehr gern. Möchten Sie etwas trinken? Then the guest will say, which is Gast. Ja, ein Mineralwasser bitte. Yes, a mineral water please. Ja, ein Mineralwasser bitte. To which the Kellner would say, kommt sofort, right away. I'll get it right away, right? Kommt sofort. S is pronounced as Z whenever it is in front of a vowel. So this is sofort, not sofort. Kommt sofort, right away. So these were the vocabulary and phrases related to food and drinks and how you can order food in a restaurant. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next one. Danke.